Bundy here. Hey, today we're working on a Craftsman toolbox. This has the roller sliding bearing, or ball bearing sliders, I should say. You can see right there. Mounted on top of an old school slide one. What I did here to lubricate these, I just used garage door lube on top and on bottom and on the inside rail. But what I want to show you guys today is I moved and I was moving the toolbox and I was trying to get the drawers back in, and they wouldn't go, and I was like fighting with this thing. What would happen is some of these, this back end would pop off right here, this back, and it would fall down, and I'm like, how do I get this thing out? So what you have to do to get this thing out, there's a I don't know how you do it on these because there's no way back. I guess if you had a little, yeah, I guess you could if you had a little hook there. But to get this clip, to get these rails out, if you need to get them out, see this right here, this little, let's see if I can get more light on it. Okay, on the back side of the rail, you have this little clip, and you actually have to push that clip in with like a screwdriver. And once you have this pushed in, as you push it in, at the same time you push up on the rail, and it'll pop out. Okay. So to get these things installed, let me see if I can put you down here and show this to you. I don't think I can because I'm working late at night and I don't think my family's awake. But they are directional. So I mean, what I mean by that is there's a left and a right. So you have this little tab right here, goes on the right side, and then you have on the other side one's for the left-hand side. So let me show you how to install this. So make sure I have the right rail here. And to count them, so this side didn't fall off. So you have these little holes right here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where my next rail will go. So that's what I did on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next rail, right? So then after that, 1, 2, 3, 4. So count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right here. Okay, this one. And I have one of the correct slides right here. No, I don't. Here's one. See where this tab's at? So to get this in, what I say 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. To get this in, you come in. There's a little latch right there. Right here. Sorry, this video is awful. It's filming with my cell phone. So you're going to basically take this slide. You're going to, this little latch right here, you're going to line it up right here with this slit. And you're going to push forward. At the same time, you have to make sure that it is hooked in on the back. And you got to use not a lot of force, but some force to get it to latch correctly. So let me try to do this one hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right here. So I'm lining it up. Probably better on this side. So I'm going to line it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now it's going in. Okay, so I'm lining it up right here, right? I'm lining it up on the front. Can you guys see that? It's lined up on that slot, and at the same time, you want to make sure that that back tab, you want to be sure at the same time that back tab is lined up too, and then all in one smooth motion, you're just going to pull it toward yourself, towards the front of the toolbox. You'll hear it snap into place. There, it snapped into place. Be careful because this rail right here will want to move on you. And just double check that everything's good. Lined up here, they're even on both sides. To get the drawers back in, I pulled these out. When you put the drawer in, it's going to want to push the ball bearing part back. And then with my finger, when it pushes it back with my finger while the drawer is still in there, I've just pushed the ball bearing back over the slides on the drawer itself. So that's how I got it installed. So if you guys are dealing with this problem, that's how you remove the roller slides, the ball bearing slides, or install them. Just make sure that they're level and even, and just take your time and have some patience with it. I know it's a little frustrating. Mine just started popping off when I was trying to put the drawers back in. So go figure, huh? So I just want to show you guys, if you guys are dealing with the Craftsman toolbox ball bearing sliders, having problems with it like I was, to show you guys how to fix it. So there you go. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Bundy's Garage, and like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.